Hi, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. We have a bonus today. We received in some equipment from Teguar, the corporation that makes medical equipment, rugged tablets, and industrial computers. And so we have a couple of different things to take a look at. I'm going to open it up real quick so you guys can discover with me what it is. This looks like the tablet right here. It comes wrapped in a plastic. Let's see what's under here. Okay. So, wow, that's got a nice glossy screen on it. Has some buttons on the side here. On the back, it looks like where the battery and the hard drive would be. Not sure what all this is. Right up here, there's a little port cover right here. Oh, that's the Ethernet right there. They got an Ethernet plug and docking port. And then over here looks like another port cover. Yep, so you have your HDMI out, USB-C, USB standard. You got a SIM slot and a micro SD slot. So you got some slots going on there. And then of course the power ports right there, it looks like. So overall, it's a nice from what the specs say, it's a 3.3 pound tablet and a nice 12.2 inch screen. So that's not a bad looking tablet. What else comes in the box here? Let's take a look real quick. This is the AC adapter right here. Okay, standard AC. And underneath here, we get the power cord for that. Looks like this is just your carry strap, some connectors to make that work. And this was probably your swivel back strap for the tablet itself. So not bad overall. That's the tablet. Let's see. Oh, and we have this right here that came with it. This looks like the docking port for it. Let's take a look real quick. Yep, that's what it is. It's very lightweight. Looks like it's just a port replicator with Ethernet, a serial port no less, power port, got some light indicators that it's on, and of course 2 USB ports. It looks like the tablet would pop right in there. Let's just see how it fits real quick. Yep, it just pops right in there like that. Not bad. So you can have some external devices connected up to the tablet. All right, so that's the docking port. So this here is one of their industrial computers, from what I can tell. And it's a little heavier. And really rather interesting. Take a look at this, if I can get it out of the box, guys. There we go, got it out of the box. And we have some, looks like a power adapter. I'm not sure what that is. And let me see if I can get the rest of this out of here. Yep, power cord and some metal connectors. So let's take a look real quick. Pull this stuff off. There we go. And of course we have some plastic. There it is. All right, wow. It is rather heavy. So basically what this would do, if you look on the back here, it looks like it has a 4-point mount, so we can mount it on a wall. So this would be in like a chemical company or industrial setting where it would be running a piece of equipment, be mounted on the wall, and you would have it there. You have a power adapter to plug it in. There's also, HDMI, USB-C, USB, 2 serial ports and 2 Ethernet ports right here. And it looks like it would be wireless because there's some antenna connectors here. Overall, it seems well made. Nice glossy screen, it's supposed to be touch. But we'll get into the specifics on these units later on. But as it stands, so far, I don't see any problems. Nice, well-built machines. Well, that's all I got for you this week. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of these units. Watch over the coming next few episodes. I'll be talking about both of these units from Teguar, and we'll see what kind of options they have and, if they're worth what they say they're worth. Anyways, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel as always, and I'll see you next week.